Hi guys, welcome to Crafted in the Ozarks. I'm Linda Cherry. I have the Crystal Fish Gifts. I'm excited that I've been in the area for over 40 years working with crafts and craftspeople, but today we're out at College of the Ozarks and I can't wait to introduce you to Amy Lemming and her program that she's got out here in the stained glass shop.
Yeah, so I get to the wonderful privilege of being the work educator here at the stained glass and candle department, where I get to teach 12 students the art of stained glass.
So we're going to get to see that process today and what they do. Now tell me more about this program that's here at the college.
Yeah, so here at College of the Ozarks, the students get their education paid for by working in a certain workstation. There's over 132 different workstations on campus, and this is just one of those here at the stained glass and candle department that the students get to work.
That's amazing. I'm very proud to be out here with you,
Yes,
and I
happy
can't
to be
wait
here.
to see what they're doing here, so let's have fun. So Amy, tell me, this has multiple stages and multiple process. Where are we here?
Yeah, so we're in the basically the second stage. She's already drawn her pattern onto her glass, and she's actually cutting it out with her hand tool right there.
And you're making pieces, she's cutting pieces to make a frog.
Yeah, she's
This
making
is
a
so
little
cool.
frog,
I
yes.
see this pattern in front of me. How long will it take to make something like this?
So we estimate anywhere from probably 10 to 15 hours possibly for this one. Depends on the intricacy of the piece. So this process is the next stage. After you cut your pieces out, then you want to grind to your pattern. So she'll take each individual piece and grind it and match it up to her pattern on her board there.
So that ensures that they fit together precisely.
Correct.
Is that right?
Yes. So we want wiggle room, no gaps.
Wiggle room, no gaps. I like that. So this piece that you were working on goes where?
So it goes right here. It's part of my sky and my rainbow piece.
So you're doing that rainbow piece and that's your number 10 piece. So do
Yes.
you mark these pieces so you know you don't have
Yes,
them
we
all
mark
out
the
of order?
pieces to make sure which is which, because some of them are so similar that we don't
Ah.
know where exactly it goes. So the numbers just help us know.
That makes a
number
lot.
10 piece goes right here.
That makes a lot of sense.
And so then after you grind your pieces, after you have them all ground down, which is what Tegan has here, this cross piece, she's actually going to be picking them up individually and wrapping them in this copper foil. This is called the Tiffany method as well. So if anybody knows the Tiffany lamps, this is the method that they use because they're such small and intricate pieces. And so the back side of this copper foil is actually sticky, and so it'll stick to the edge of the glass. And what Tegan is doing is she's wrapping it around and then she'll push over the sides with that fid.
I see. So this is going to help us later when we go to putting the pieces together. I love the diversity in all the different pieces. It's really a fun process.
And we try to use the scrap glass too. So you can kind of see these, we make little small earrings as well. So
Oh.
out of all the scraps.
Oh my gosh. Nothing goes to waste.
Nothing goes to waste.
Nothing
yes.
goes to waste. I love this.
So then after you foil your piece and get all the pieces foiled, then you solder it together. So that copper foil is going to allow this solder to stick to the piece because the solder will not stick to the glass. It only sticks where that copper foil is at.
That makes sense. Metal to metal. It's so fluid. It's amazing how it just flows through the whole piece. Well, I love the boots and the sunflowers, and I would imagine this is a popular pattern. So it looks like a lot of fun to do. Amy, we find ourselves at the sink. What's happening?
Yeah, so after they solder, there's a chemical on there, so we need to get that off, and we're actually going to patina them. So that silver solder that it comes out color-wise, we're actually going to patina them black. So that'll be a chemical oxidation that'll happen on that solder.
If we didn't do it like that, it'd happen naturally, wouldn't it?
It
So you
would,
might as well
yes.
go ahead and escalate that process
Correct.
a little bit.
Yeah.
My gosh, what an amazing process, and what a group of people that you have here working on everything. I mean, they're all doing such an amazing job. That's awesome. I don't know of another college in the area or even in the U.S. that's like this. With all the students out here and all the wonderful things that chimed right in really well to Crafted in the Ozarks, and we really appreciate that everybody tuned in to visit with us and see all the wonderful things at College of the Ozarks. There'll be much more to come, and we can't wait to see you in the future at the place.